Welcome to our channel. Let's dive into how to quickly fix login timeout issues on banking websites, ensuring smooth and secure access. Every time, welcome to our channel facing login. Timeout issues on your banking website can be frustrating. But with the right steps, you can quickly resolve this problem and get back to managing your finances hassle-free. First step, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored cache can conflict with the website, causing timeout errors. Clearing them refreshes you. Browser settings. For most browsers, go to Settings, Privacy, then clear browsing data and select cache and cookies. Make sure to restart your browser after this often resolves session conflicts. Second step, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the login process. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router to see if this improves stability. Third step, update your web browser. Using an outdated browser version may not support the latest website security protocols leading to login timeouts. Always keep your browser up to date by visiting the official browser website or app store. Fourth step, disable browser extensions or add-ons. Sometimes third-party extensions interfere with website operations. Temporarily disable all extensions. Then try logging in again. If the problem disappears, enable them one by one to identify the culprit. Fifth step, try using a different browser. Occasionally, compatibility issues arise due to browser-specific restrictions. Test your banking website login on browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari to isolate the problem. Sixth step, check the banking website status. Before jumping into advanced troubleshooting, verify if the bank is facing server issues. Visit their official social media accounts or status page. If servers are down, you may need to wait until service is restored. Seventh step, ensure your device date and time settings are correct. Incorrect date and time can cause security certificate errors triggering login timeouts. Go to your device settings to verify and correct them. If needed. Eighth step, clear DNS cache on computers. This can resolve network-related login errors on Windows. Open command prompt, type ipconfig/flushtons, and press enter. On Mac, open terminal, type sudo killall-hup mdns responder, and press enter. Restart your device. Ninth step, try resetting your password. In some cases, login timeouts might be linked to account authentication issues. Use the forgot password option on your banking website to set a new password, and then attempt login. Lastly, if none of these steps work, contact your bank's customer support. They can check for any account or system-specific issues blocking your access. Always remember to keep your login credentials safe and never share them during troubleshooting. Following these steps carefully will help you fix login timeout issues quickly and regain seamless access to your banking services.